I don't know if you can see me though, but I believe you can see me. Okay, well, my cousin has been wanting to do my makeup for the longest time, so I'm actually going to let him do it. I laid down the makeup as of what it is, and I'm just I'm just gonna let him do whatever he wants to do now. So here you go.
Okay.
You starting out with the lipstick? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I had to let you do whatever you want. Okay. Does it look good? Does it? Oh my god, don't ruin my makeup.
Oh well.
Okay, sorry. Okay, now, what else do you want to do?
What's this?
That's eyeliner. Look, that's sparkly eyeliner. You twist it.
Oh.
Are you sure you want to do it? Okay. Never mind. That's, do you know the stuff I put on top of my eye?
Like right here?
Yeah, you know the black stuff I put on?
Yeah.
So you're not going to put on, okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, oh wow, okay.
It's not done yet.
I guess if you want to put that on before you put on eyeshadow, I guess you can, okay. Oh, you're not finished yet with your masterpiece after this?
Nope.
You got a long ways to go? Oh, okay. I see. This is going to take forever to go. Okay.
Okay, done with that eye. For right now.
Are you going to dip it?
Huh?
Are you going to dip it?
Dip it.
Yeah, you have to dip it back in there.
Dip it.
Dear God. Okay, yeah, this is lovely. Okay. Do I look pretty? Do I look pretty? Probably don't, but it's hot in here. The dogs are like walking underneath us. They're like crazy. Oh, you're gonna start with face stuff now? Okay.
Well, where's this thing for this?
This is the stuff I put on my face. Like, you have to figure it out by yourself. No. Like you like put it on your hand, like, and you put it on my face too. Oh. Dear God. That look like a bronze nest. Okay. Okay. This is okay. Ah! I'm done now. Oh my God. This is.
Hey, shut up.
What? Are we on the other side now? Or?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got it.
Oh, okay. I see what you're doing now. Okay. You know you can blend in with this. You know, you can just. Wait, never mind. Okay.
I'll figure that out soon.
Here we. This is working out really well. What do you think?
It's really orange.
Oh my God. Make me orange now. Oh, I think I can hear like the background, like the TV. You probably can. Oh. No. Stop skin. Oh my God. I usually don't like people touching my face like this, but.
Okay.
Okay. That's eyeshadow. Remember I told you to use this for it?
This thing.
Yeah. Just. Yeah. Yeah. We might end up getting yelled at later.
Okay.
Don't open it that. That one's broken. That one's broken. I'm sorry. There you go. That's like blue. You're gonna put blue makeup. I haven't used that.
Looks disgusting.
It's mascara. Oh, so you're not trying to make me look funny?
What?
So you're not trying to make me look funny? Because this is like the clothes I use every single day.
This is annoying. Okay, I can't open that one. So I'll use this one.
I never used that either. I think I've only used that thing like once.
No, I want this one.
Oh, okay. Blending colors now. Oh.
Okay. I'm confused on where this goes, but right here.
Wherever you want it to go.
Okay. Go right.
Jeez, it's the eyeball. Be careful, don't like shove the thing in my eye.
Owie.
Does that look pretty?
I don't know.
I like really bad at this. Are you gonna let me do your makeup?
No.
Why not? You look.
What?
Nothing. Ow! Why are you poking at my eyeball for? I'm done. Okay. Do it. Come on. You can be gentle. You don't have to like. Oh, what are you doing? Like a peacock style?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, fantastic.
Okay, lovely.
This is. That's eyeliner. That's eyeshadow too. Don't be that like that. See, look, you're gonna get it all over the table.
Oh, I see.
Mister.
Yeah.
What? You got stuff all over.
Oh well.
Okay, I need to stop cleaning. I'm sorry. I'm not used to let anyone else. Oh, you better put that on yours too?
Hey! Yeah.
Oh, yeah, lovely. You're not shading in my eyebrows, so I don't think you are. Oh, hey.
There we go.
Lovely. That was just, oh.
Okay.
You got in there?
That's what you think.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Let's shove the stuff all over my eye. I never used this makeup before. I'm gonna use it like once.
Pretty. I don't know what this is, but I'll use it.
That's the stuff from my eye right now. You probably should use that one's like gone. This is like the main, these two are like the main ones I use. Don't! You're gonna break it. You twist it. And if you poke my eyeball, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh well.
Yeah, that's how we do it. You guys do my makeup from now on?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Done with that thing.
Okay. What else are you gonna do?
What's this?
That's lip gloss.
How do you use it?
You just open it.
Oh, I see it now. Put this back in there.
Oh, you don't want to use it?
No, not that kind. Not that color.
No, it doesn't show up colors.
Okay. It's kind of going to the way I'm used.
Okay, oh, okay, blue. Lovely. Just lovely. I wonder how my voice is going to sound, because I don't ever talk to myself.
Clean your mouth.
That does not taste good.
Ew, why are you tasting it?
Because you're shoving it in my mouth.
So I'm trying to get right here.
You poke up my lips for you? You want me to give you a kiss?
No.
Ew. Okay.
Oh.
Done now?
Like this color.
You can't see colors.
I don't care.
Watch the thing die on us, and then we were sitting here we're not using that. I don't trust you putting stuff in my eye.
What's this?
That's lip gloss.
Awesome.
That's like 12 hours staying lip gloss. That's 10 hours staying, so it's going to stay on my lips for 10 hours. You know, that's what I put on Luke.
Yeah, I know. Not sure how to use this.
Oh, jeez, okay. Oh, okay.
There you go.
We done? No, oh, no. More stuff on my face. I kind of regret doing this now. At least my hair looks pretty.
What do I use it for this?
That's eyeshadow. Same thing.
What is this one?
Be careful. Don't name it in there.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, mix it.
Okay, now where's this gonna go? On my cheeks or something?
Sure.
Oh, okay. You're not gonna get that off. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh wow. You're like jacking up my makeup.
Oh well.
You know, it took me a long time to apply this makeup. Now you're doing these eyes on my cheeks. Okay. That look pretty. Oh my.
Okay, I'll lay it upside down.
How long does this makeup gonna take to get off my face? Oh my.
Oh well.
Jesus. Oh my. Okay. We done that? I don't think we have anything else. No, we're not putting all that stuff on my face. That's like a gallon of it on my face.
Okay, do this.
You gotta put that on my face.
Dang it.
There's nothing else you could possibly put on my face.
This. It looks very, very, very pretty.
It looks pretty?
Yeah, see, it looks pretty.
I kind of regret doing this now.
Rocks, like what the heck?
It's not rocks. It's called minerals.
Whatever. It's minerals.
Where are you gonna put this at?
I don't know.
You have like no place. If you put that mat, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
Well, that's where it goes, isn't it?
Oh, why do I want blue eye?
Oh,
Okay.
sorry, forehead.
Oh my, okay. You could have at least made me look cute.
Sorry.
Next time I'm gonna do your makeup.
What's it?
Done now?
I have to time it to a chair.
Oh, maybe when you're sleeping.
No. You wish. Okay.
You could have at least made me look cute.
Well, maybe
Oh my, but
feel
Jesus.
Like maybe I didn't feel like that.
Oh my. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Okay. I'm done with you now. Me and you are no longer friends. Don't put it up my nose.
I'm not.
You say LOL?
Yeah.
I was blowing off all the access. However you pronounce it. Sorry. We done now? We done now?
No, we're not done. Still got a long ways to go.
What do you mean long ways to go?
Yeah.
How much you bet this thing died? How much you bet this thing died? No, oh my God, it's still recording. I'm surprised it didn't die. It's still recording. Oh my.
Okay.
You guys want to see my face? Is it showing my face?
Yep. Oh, pretty.
Is my face pretty?
It's orange and blue.
Is it pretty? It's probably like drop dead gorgeous right now. Oh wait, more of that? Okay.
Sure.
Oh my God, you're gonna waste all my makeup and I'm gonna kill you. I regret doing this now.
Oops. Look at your eyebrow. Oh my God, your eyebrow.
Is someone home? I feel like someone's home.
What's
Oh
that?
my. What? That's eyeshadow.
Oh. Lord, you're
Oh my God. I need to hide myself from you now because I know you're gonna like kill me in my sleep with this stuff. Do I look cute? Do I look
Okay,
gorgeous?
one more of this and then we're done.
Okay.
Beautiful.
You better not show off your little geeky friends this at school. Your mom. Oh my God, your mom's gonna yell at us.
Oh well.
What do you mean? Oh well. No more makeup for you. We're done now.
No,
We're done now.
we're not done yet.
We're done now.
No, put this on your face.
Show everyone my face.
Okay. Look at that beautiful face.
Oh.
Oh, so blue and orange.
Okay, well, I'm gonna post this now, so we need to shut this off.
Oh, and watch it and like it 'cause it's hilarious.